a land where tradition inspires innovation. A nation that continues to redefine the future through science, technology, and healthcare. A place where every breakthrough carries the promise of transforming lives. At the heart of this journey stands Hyderabad, a city where heritage meets cutting-edge research, where medicine, education, and innovation come together to shape the future of healthcare. For decades, cardiology has transformed the impossible into reality. From the first coronary interventions to life-saving stents, from advanced imaging to minimally invasive structural heart therapies, every innovation has brought us closer to one goal: saving more lives. Recognizing that progress demands collaboration, FACS Foundation was created to advance cardiovascular science through education, research, and innovation. Over the years, it has become a platform where knowledge is shared, evidence is strengthened, and future leaders are inspired. Today, its vision extends beyond intervention towards prevention, disease modification, and better outcomes for every patient. As we gather once again, we celebrate not only the milestones we've achieved, but the possibilities that lie ahead. Together, let us inspire new ideas, drive meaningful innovation, and shape the future of cardiovascular care. FACS Foundation, advancing science, inspiring innovation, transforming cardiovascular care. Welcome to ACVS India 2026.